Upcoming share market trends. 2020 has changed the world of investing. पैंडेमिक और लॉकडाउन जैसे फैक्टर्स की वजह से दुनिया की और इंडिया की इकोनॉमी पर बहुत असर पड़ा है. Some trends have accelerated while other sectors have suffered big blows. Let's look at 5 upcoming share market trends that you should know. 1. Stay ready to take advantage of bear markets. मार्केट अनसर्टेनिटी की वजह से काफी स्टॉक्स अपने रियल वैल्यू के नीचे ट्रेड कर सकते हैं. In a bear market, smart investors can get valuable stocks of fundamentally strong companies at discount. When you see a dip, consider it an opportunity and look for stocks trading below their real price. 2. Keep an eye out for comeback sectors. Here are some sectors that have been negatively affected by COVID. Theaters, entertainment, live music events, travel, office real estate. Once the pandemic ends or is close to ending, these sectors might see a sudden jump in activity. The companies associated with these comeback sectors might benefit on the stock market. Be prepared to take advantage. 3. The winners of 2020 might not be the winners of 2021 and beyond. In 2020, tech was the big winner. Will this be the case in 2021 and later? Technology companies, streaming platforms, online payments, remote working software and other similarly aligned companies might maintain their lead, or they might not. It's important to not be over-leveraged in one direction. In a volatile world like ours, going all in on one sector can imbalance one's investment portfolio. 4. Pharma and tech might continue their strong run. On the other hand, last year really taught people the importance of health and family. People might move out of big cities and choose to work remotely out of smaller towns. This will lead to a long boom for internet penetration and broadband technologies. On average, people might engage more with the medical sector, get tests done more often, and be proactive about their health. These trends will have effect on the stock market, and the savvy investor will benefit from them. 5. The difference between trends and fads. Trends are the deep changes that are here to stay. Fads are shallow changes that are temporary. Follow the trends, but don't fall for fads. Here are all the points together. Take a screenshot for future reference.
Investments in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.